Breaking news. Flames have consumed the iconic stock exchange building in Copenhagen, Denmark, a significant landmark dating back to the 17th century. Known as Borsen, this historic edifice was in the process of renovation when the fire broke out. The catastrophe led to the collapse of its unique dragon-shaped spire, a touchstone of Danish architecture. Emergency services were quick to respond, descending upon the scene in an effort to quell the inferno. Despite the intensity of the flames, there were no reported casualties. It's a testament to the efficiency and preparedness of Denmark's emergency response teams. The cause of the fire, however, remains shrouded in mystery. Investigations are underway, but the origin of the flames that ravaged the 17th century building is still unclear. Borsen was not just a commercial hub, it was also a treasure trove of valuable art. Among the pieces housed within its walls was the renowned painting From Copenhagen Stock Exchange by P.S. Krøyer. As the flames licked at the building's facade, passers-by and emergency services rallied together in a remarkable display of unity. They braved the heat and smoke to save these irreplaceable art treasures from the clutches of the fire. The repercussions of the fire reached beyond Borsen's walls. Nearby buildings were evacuated as a precaution, including the Finance Ministry and an annex of the Danish Parliament. The Danish Chamber of Commerce headquarters, situated within the affected area, felt the impact as well. The fire at Borsen is not just a loss for Copenhagen or Denmark, but a loss for the world. A piece of history has been scorched, and a symbol of Denmark's rich heritage has been marred. But the spirit of unity displayed by the people at the scene, their quick action to save the priceless art, is a beacon of hope in this tragic event. As we await further information on the cause of the fire, we remember Borsen not for its smoky demise, but for its centuries of standing tall as a symbol of Denmark's vibrant history and culture. Despite the damage, the spirit of Borsen, like the spirit of Denmark, remains unbroken.